I'm Pakistani and you are watching Mr. Pakistan. Today this video I will teach you how you can make a GPS tracker. So in a table, what my plan is that, so if I made some GPS tracker, so you can put it in your car and your vital, any vital. So someone taps your vital, it will notify you where you're going, the vital or planets are going. So I made a GPS tracker. This GPS tracker is consistent of two parts: Neo 6M GPS module and Node MCU esp8266 module, which is a module which acts like a Uno type module, but it is also smaller and it is also built Wi-Fi. So this module has a similar feature like a Uno, but extra feature it is compact, smaller, as well as it on-built Wi-Fi. So you can connect with this with Wi-Fi and control everything. So in this I use breadboard because I have only male female jumper table, so that's why I use breadboard. So connection is very simple. 5 volts, or this module states 3 to 5 volts Neo 6 GPS. So what I have to do, right now I put this 3 volts. So getting 3 volts. So VCC is at 3 volts, GND to GND of Node MCU, RX to RX is connected to the digital pin number 2, RTX connected to digital pin number 3 of Node MCU. There are 4 connections only, but I don't have a female to female table, so I use male to female table and use breadboard in order to put all the male in one side to convert the female to female. Or if you have other what, you will cut the tables, other option you will cut the tables and male to male table, male side stuck and female side join back together. Male to female wire using male to female wire, but I don't touch any cropping. I use breadboard in order to convert female to male table in female to female table. Now Node MCU connected to a USB cable to the power bank. So I put a program inside a Node MCU. So later I show the program, and this will Node MCU internal on the Wi-Fi will connected to my Wi-Fi router, or which is connected internet Wi-Fi connection. And similarly, my this cell phone is also connected to the Wi-Fi. No matter which Wi-Fi is, both are connected internet. If I type IP of this, which you then need first time when you build this project, you will connect a laptop instead of power bank and open a serial monitor. Then you can find it will give you an IP address in a serial monitor which you can copy and you can use it. This IP address is almost fixed, it will not change. So you can know this IP address first time, and later you will remove the laptop and directly powered by a charger, 5 volt adapter or power bank, and then type a IP address in your browser. Let me type a browser. This IP address maybe your case is different according to your programming or GPS numbering, but in my it is 168.1.1.104. And I need to open like that. It is so time 11:53 a.m. which is morning right now, and date is today 18/9/20, and this is longitude latitude value. Now you can extract the latitude values and put into your Google map and trace your vehicle, which vehicle you will need to track. Because in that case you need a Wi-Fi connection, two Wi-Fi connections, one for your home or your cell phone, which cell phone you need to track. You will need to track your device, other connection, internet connection in your vital, which this connection needs a node MCU in order to send the data taken by GPS and sent to the web server local IP address, which local IP address first time you can need seen by serial monitor by connecting laptop, and then you can next time you can use power bank, and this IP address is not changed. You can use topic and save it your notepad or SMS. Later you can put this same IP address all the time. It will display you your location and time and date, which you can, and you can simply go to Google Maps and put this location, and then you can find it. Now I place this into the longitude latitude value into the Google Map, and it will come showing there. Now explain the code of GPS tractor code. So first include tiny GPS ++.h library, include include serial software.h library, include esp8266.h library, tiny GPS, serial software access, and chat password links your Wi-Fi password, router name, your router SSD name, and your router Wi-Fi router device password, whatever you want use for providing the internet. You can put in air and air, username air, password air, and serial billing rate is 115200, access billing 69600, serial print in, so everything is printed by serial print connecting to SSD, Wi-Fi password connection to Wi-Fi status well connected, and delays 5 milliseconds. Serial print, Wi-Fi connecting, serial billing, serial printing, serial Wi-Fi, serial printing, Wi-Fi local IP. Which local IP you can use a serial monitor, and then you can use your cell phone to access them and any other device. Void loop, there are code which is quite lengthy, you can read yourself, and there. And this video will end with the next video very soon.